Hi everybody, today we're going to be making spaghetti in Arrabbiata sauce, and I'm also going to be adding shrimp and vegetables. And what you'll need is spaghetti, the Arrabbiata pasta sauce, and OMG, yes, it is from a jar. If pasta sauce from a jar is not your thing, this is probably not the recipe for you. And I have no idea if I'm pronouncing the name of this sauce right. Arrabbiata is what it looks like, so that's what I'm saying. And you're also going to need some crushed red peppers and also black pepper. And for your vegetables, you're going to need green onion, green bell pepper, red onion, and your shrimp. You can use whatever kind of shrimp you want, but this is Argentinian red shrimp and it is raw, but any shrimp will do. We're going to start by cutting the bell pepper. And while you're cutting up your vegetables, preparing your ingredients, you should have your pasta, the water boiling for your pasta. That part will not be shown in this video. And also not seen in this video, which was totally by accident, is the cutting of the green onions. I'm out of practice. I forgot to turn the camera back on, but they are there. I did use them, and now we're ready to cook the vegetables. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan and cook on medium to high heat. Cook them just enough for them to get a little bit soft, not mushy soft, because they're still going to be cooking as the pasta sauce heats up. And same thing for the shrimp. The shrimp doesn't have to be entirely done before you add your sauce, because it's still going to be cooking as the pasta sauce heats up. I'm using the entire jar of the pasta sauce, and while this sauce is spicy on its own, it's not going to be as spicy once you add the spaghetti and the vegetables and the shrimp. So I am adding 1 teaspoon of crushed peppers and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Well, in the end, it's going to end up being 2 teaspoons of each because I went back and added more. So use a whole jar of pasta sauce and 2 teaspoons each of crushed red peppers and the black pepper. It's going to give the sauce the spice back that the extra ingredients took away, which is the spaghetti and the shrimp and all the other stuff. Now I'm going to add the cooked drained pasta to the sauce and just mix it all in. You're probably wondering, what? No salt? Where's the salt? I tend to leave the salt out of most recipes these days, and everybody can add their own salt to taste. I will not be the blame for anyone's high blood pressure. And if you're like me, you want to have an extra jar of pasta sauce on hand, because I tend to overdo it with the spaghetti and I may need a little extra sauce, so I'll just add that right in. Yes, that was my usual fork in the food to do my taste test, and it was not as spicy as I would like it to be, so I added a little bit more pepper and red pepper flakes, and now it is perfect. All you have to do is plate it and enjoy it. This recipe is so quick and easy. I hope you try it and let me know how it turns out. I'll see you next time.